Just got a cob, and he took me all around the motor. I'm surprised I didn't lose that fish. I still might. I gotta go. Oh, got him on a weedless softy. A little silver exude right there. Nice little fish, about 16. Oh, he's got a few spots too. All right. Ooh. There's a bronze boy. Little 16 inches. Look at that. 5 big old spots. Look at the color. They are just gorgeous fish. What do you think, buddy? All right. Back in the water. I'll catch you when you get bigger. There we go. There's a snook. Not a real big one. On a top water, about 20 inches. Pretty fish. Pretty fish. This is a 21-inch snook, or line sider, or even called soapfish. Hey, buddy. You're nice looking. Pretty color, pretty color. Up here on the top water. Thought the water might be a little bit too cool for him, but there he is. Alright. Alright, Snookster. Take a hike. Alright, fish on. Got a soft plastic on here. I'm assuming it's a trout or redfish. Let's see who comes up. Mr. Troutsky. Alright. Nice speck on a soft plastic. Weedless, Texas style. Here in FLA. Nice way to get it going. 17-inch speck. Got a lot of spots on him. Kind of missing a few in the middle. Hey, he's got 1.5 fangs. Mr. Yellowmouth. See ya. Got myself a little trout hole here in this little pass. Alright. That's a nice fish. About 17. 17-inch. Got a few more spots on him this time. Pretty looking yellowmouth. Alright, hit the drink, buddy. Putting a lip lock on this soft plastic. This is a bigger fish here. About 18, I think he's more like 19. Nice fish. I'm sitting there waiting for me to heave something at him. Pretty sweet. 20-inch Mr. Yellowmouth. Nice fish. Ooh. Hey. That's trout fangula. Hey, buddy. Nice fish. Nice fish. Oh, I thought I had a redfish for a minute. Sitting right on the bottom. It's another trout. And another. Oh, nice. Look at the old. That's pretty dark. Pretty dark. He's been sitting on the bottom. Nice one, about he's 17. Another 17 incher. Oh, 1.5 bangs. There's Mr. Yellowmouth. Alright. Hit it, buddy. I didn't even get a chance to turn the camera on. I dropped this thing on the bottom and I think Mr. Redfish got it. He's hugging the bottom. Yep. Yep. Mr. Bronze Bulldog. He wants to get in the bushes and play. This ought to be interesting. I would prefer that he would come up here and play, but I'm not so sure he wants to do that. So, this is a bad place right here. Unless he'll go out and swim out. Come on, head shaker. Come around that corner. There you go. Come on with the pressure. Come on. Come on. There we go. There we go. Now you're being a jovial redfish. Nice old bronze bulldog. How big he is. Oh yeah. Looks like he might hit 22 or 23. Oh yeah, love that sound. Keep ripping that drag, buddy. I got him on the soft plastic too. They love these little slugs. And it's the only way I can throw something over these rock piles around here short of throwing a topwater. And right now they just don't want a topwater. Unless it's an extremely skinny water. So boy, you gotta wear them out. One thing about these weedless hooks, they don't get 24 maybe. I guarantee he weighs at least 6 to 7 pounds. That's a nice redfish right there. Look at those colors. The sunlight. All right, buddy. Oh, were you talking about my eyeball not even being close? This old 2-spotter is 28 inches long. He's out of the slot. He's too big. How about that for a fish? Ooh, nice. That is, look at that color. That's a pretty fish. That's a honker too. All right, big boy. Another red on. Still got the plastic, but I changed colors. I went to what's called a baby bass, which is green and silver. I've gone to a gold flake. That's a smaller fish. Whoa, that's a feisty critter. Look at this thing. Man, he's got more moves than a disco dancer. He's about 21. Nice fish. Just about every piece of plastic I'm throwing out here, these critters are either the trout or the redfish are just jumping all over it. Thank you, Texas style rigging. 21-inch red. Got him off this rock bar that I'm sitting on right now. Pretty one. Oh yeah. Mr. Spottail. See ya.